Hey guys, welcome back to another Vinny Built Structure video. Get comfortable here. In this video we're going to go over how I prepare the walls for paint. I have decided that I'm going to use, if you guys can see this, let me turn the lamp down a little bit. It's going to be the beige color. And because I wanted the interior actually to be gray, this line, see if I can get this in here, this line right here, that will be a gray line separating the beige from the beige, just to give it a little bit more signature or definition or whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, I'm going to be using the Evergreens number 175 strips. They are 100 by 100 and they will go up along this line right here. I always leave, you guys see this, let's get this down here a little bit. I always leave a reveal on the top of the roof line. Now you guys are saying, how come there's so much reveal there? Well, I have something special planned for that section. Anyhow, to prepare this building, this wall, or all the walls, the procedure will be the same. I taped off the corners that are going to be glued. You guys can see all of this on the back side. And then on the front side, this is how I get my stripe. I tape it where I want it. In this case, it's I think it's 3 feet from the top. Let's see here. It's actually 4 feet from the top. I don't know if you guys can see that. But this tape will stay on here till the completion of the building. First thing I'm going to do is give this a shot of primer, white primer. And I won't be doing that today because it is kind of windy out there. But painting it is the same procedure as I painted the base or the foundation. So there's nothing different about that. Funny thing about this whole series, the person that asked me to do this, I don't know if he's been watching or not, but if you are watching, I would like some feedback from you. Let me know what you think of what I'm doing so far. Anyhow, I will get back to you guys after it's painted and all the walls are prepared. So stay tuned and I'll be back in a little bit. Bye. Alright guys, next section has been done. As you can see, I added the roof supports. Everything is masked off, all my corners where I intend to glue stuff. More roof supports, and this will also stiffen up the plastic a bit. Like I mentioned earlier, it's kind of really windy out there today. More roof supports, and finally the big wall has more roof supports on it also. You can see that I have masked off the places that are going to be glued. I can't go outside and paint this today, so I waited for my daughter to leave out of the garage with her car. So we're going to take this into the garage and we're going to give it the first coat of primer. And we'll let that dry up and we'll continue with the build. I'll be back in a little bit. Bye. Alright guys, everything has been primed with the white primer. And now I'm going to show you guys how I get the stripes I want to get. I originally planned for the interior to be a two-tone gray, but also decided that because I can't get the right color gray that I want, we decided to go with a beige interior. But I'm still going to incorporate a little bit of gray on the inside. I'm going to put a stripe around the inside of the building, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So let's move over to the workbench and I'll show you. This is going to be like a 4-step process. You'll see why when I do the video. I'm trying to keep these videos short, but if you guys want to see the how-tos, I have to do what it takes to show you. Anyhow, let's get down to the workbench. This is the main wall, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my masking tape. I think it's like a 1/16 of an inch, and what I'm going to do is you remember that line that I showed you earlier, this line right here, is I'm going to tape that right over the primer. I'd rather do it over the primer than do it over the final coat. So, just basically, I'm going to take the tape and I'm going to run it down the line. Secure it, and then we'll just cut it off at this end, and we will cut it off at this end. And we'll get a tight corner here, and a tight corner here. And basically, I will shoot the beige paint over all. This will get done on all the walls at whatever height this is. It'll be the same, consistent all the way around the entire interior of the building. But the next step is going to be spraying the interior, the final coat, and then we'll take this tape off and we'll do a remask and we'll repaint and so on and so forth. Anyhow, stay tuned for the next procedure step. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back shortly. Alright guys, all the interior walls have been painted, and now it's time for the stripe. As you guys remember, I did have a masking tape right here. Masking tape is off now, and the rest of the building is masked up. I'm going to shoot this with the gray, like I told you guys earlier. And while the building is all masked up, I'm also going to do the exterior walls with the gray, as long as I have it out. What you guys see here will be the same procedure on all the walls, except that I won't be using as much masking tape. Anyhow, let's get back out to the paint shop and we'll get the stripes done. Be back. Alright guys, what you're looking at here are the exterior walls for the HO scratch build engine house for Eric Ehlers. As you can see, all the gray has been done, and on this piece right here I decided to peel the tape off the outside and see how that white stripe would look. And as you all know, any one of my builds will get a stripe at the top. Anyhow, let me flip these over for you and you'll be able to see the inside. Alright, as y'all can see, I went with the beige color and got my stripe inside there. Like I said I was going to do it, dark gray. And there's another one right there. And basically they're all done. So this will conclude this part of the video with the walls, doors, windows, and paint. The next video will be actually putting this puppy together. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Your comments, questions, input, and subs are always welcome. Anyhow, for now, that's all folks. BNSF 6951 out.